Today I am planning to explain interrogative sentences. First one, whose book did you bring me? Whose book did you bring me means this book is someone else's, and that person is asking, where did you, this belongs to whom? That book, that person um, given to opposite person, that opposite person is asking, where did you get, this belongs to whom? That is what it means. Second one, when are the best days to go to the mall? When are the best days? Like during the weekends usually there will be more crowd. So that person wanted to know where, like best time to go to the mall, to shopping and all. So he's asking which day is good to shop, go to visit mall and all. Third one, what kind of music do you want to dance to? What kind of music do you want to dance to? Means that person, which music that person like for dancing. Like some people, they like to have favorite music. To that music they dance. So here that person asking which music that person like to dance. And next one, how many topics do you have to study? How many topics do you have to study? Topics about it can be anything like environment or like there are so many topics. So here how many topics that person needs to study. Other person asking how many topics do you have to study? Need to study how many topics? 1, 2 or 3 about something. It can be anything. Like it can be community or anything. So depending upon the topics that they are chosen, that they have been chosen. And the fifth one, did we make a cake for you? Did we make a cake for you? They are questioning whether these people made cake for that person already. Did we make? Means this did is an auxiliary verb. Like this one is like questioning whether these people already made or what. That is what it means. And next one, did you take your vitamin this morning? Did you take? Morning, whether that person taken his vitamin or what. Some B12, calcium, there are so many vitamins tablet. So whether that person taken or not in the morning. Next one, what do you think about this subject? What do you think about this subject? That person's opinion, what do you think? How do you feel about this subject? Like learning and all. Some subjects are interested to learn. So here that person asking, how do you think, what do you think about this language subject? Next one, how did it get so late so soon? How did it get so late so soon? Means sometimes we are not aware of time. Time goes very fast, and we think that still it's even 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, but when we check the time, it will be like 4, 5. That is so far. So soon time goes. That is what it means. Next one, how many movies did you watch this month? How many movies? This month has not completed. So from first to till this, like up to so far, how many movies? How many movies did you watch this month? Which month they are asking? We have to take that particular month. So from that month, from the beginning of month until now, so far, how many movies that person watched? This person wanted to know, so he's asking how many movies did you watch from this month. And next one, how far is it between the school and the house? Distance between school and house. Some boy is going to school and other person is asking how far from your school to distance, like how many kilometers, how long it will take to reach your school, and that is what it means. Next one, should I call or email you? Should I call or email? This person wanted to talk to that person, wanted to asking how that he can contact, like by call or email. How can I, should I call? Like that has to do, need to do this thing, like by calling or emailing. That is what it means. If shall I means that is your opinion. When we say should I means is that must to do this thing, call or email. Next one, why are so scared of me? Why are so scared of me? Scared means fear for that person. Why are you so scared of me? Getting fear, seeing some people, they get scared, scared, seeing other people. And next one, who fixed the computer? Who fixed the computer? This computer this computer might not work, I think, might not work before. And now someone has fixed it, means repaired. Now no problem. There was no problem. Earlier it was problem. After fixing, there was no problem now. So you are asking who fixed it, who did repair this computer. Next one, how many times do you smoke? How many times? Times, like how many someone they smoke during the daytime, during the day. How many times that person smoke? Next one, who knows the answers to this? Who knows this answer, these questions? Who knows answers? That is what it means. Any of you, these are all very simple. So all of us know answers to these questions. Who knows the answers to these questions means can is anyone, anybody can answer this question. These questions can anybody answer? Can able will they able to answer these questions? That is what it means. Yeah. I hope you understand this simple interactive sentences. Yeah. Thank you. Bye for now.